Hi people, this is Nery again. Okay, this is my kale. As you can see, look, another one, baby one coming out right here. I put a few of them, but just two of them came out. This big one and the little one right here. This is separated. These are the old ones. You know that when they get too old, they get like sour. So I took it, I just planted there. I don't know, maybe it'll grow roots and start making another plant. Who knows? So I just left it here. Oh, I forgot to cut this one. It's also an old one. So I'll be cutting that one too and putting it like that as a decoration or whatever until it dies. So plus when they get old, look at this. I have to put neem on this because it's messing my plant up. So that I'll be actually taking care of it today too. Also, I'm working here because as you can see, there's like a big gap here. It was bigger. What I did was yesterday they threw one of my plants in the floor. The chicken came in there, carved, and I guess she slept there or whatever because there was no eggs there. So what I decided to do was put some of these that up here. You know, they don't have seeds because I don't want to mess the seeds. And I put it here, you know, 2 or 3, just so it doesn't look so plain. Plus, I got this seeds for the plants. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of seeds to see if they grow like these grew. And remember, when you put these seeds, they're so small, you don't put dirt on top of it. You just sprinkle in there like the plant does. You know, sprinkle in there and let it, you know, water it and let it grow by itself. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm also gonna see what else I do. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you something else. Hold on. These are my orchid. They were my orchid. Well, they told me to put it outside, you know, and I did put it outside. My friend told me, put it outside, they get gorgeous. They started to die. And I got lucky that I took it out in time. There was a little baby growing, and there he goes. Look how big it is. So I put it back where they used to being, you know. And this one is also another one right here. It's starting to grow little babies. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 babies, and there's a top one right there. Right, let me see if I can show you. I can't wait. Let me hold on. This little tip right there is another one coming out. So at least I saved them. They're not going back outside. If they want some sun, I could put it right there, you know, hang it up there, and they get plenty of sun. I'll probably put it there because I think it's gonna rain, but it did the same thing yesterday and it didn't rain. It just drained a little bit and it dried up already. So I guess if it doesn't rain today, I'm gonna have to go outside and water them. I didn't water them for 2 days. I thought it was gonna rain, but it hasn't. But this time I can't leave it for 3 days. You know, they kind of dry, especially my corianders. So this plant, look how gorgeous it's grown. This plant is how you call it? This plant, my mother gave it to me. It was dying. She just came as a vacation. So she told me, look, see if you want it. And she gave me another one that I didn't want. Because I just wanted the flowered one, not just leaves. Because leaves, they're not edible. That one, the one that she was giving me, they're not edible. And it's just going to take space. So I need plants that's not taking space. I took this one because I'm thinking about the, how you call it? The bees. That they come early in the morning and they start gumbling in the bees. Also, they go over in this flower, you know, and they start mumbling there. So it's good, you know. So at least I bring bees to the area because there ain't much bees. You don't see, it's very rarely you see bees here. But I got it beautiful. It's small. Look how big it is. I could propagate it. I've been propagating them, you know. So I'm gonna see if I put some out there too and outside in my raised bed. I'm trying to fill my raised bed little by little, but it takes time, you know, because the dirt over there is harder. I had put some corianders from here to over there. It couldn't take it, but yet it's growing a corianders over there from the seeds that has been flying. You know, I think is that if they used of soft dirt, you cannot change it to hard dirt. or hard dirt, change it to soft dirt. So I guess that's the problem. So I'm leaving these here. These are the soft dirt. They compost and all that. And I'll leave those over there. There's around 20 already growing over there in my raised bed and on the side of the wall. So it's doing pretty good. And plus now pretty soon a lot of seeds are going to come out flying because, you know, they're all growing their seeds now. So it's going to be a pretty good year, I guess. So saying that, oh, look at my mint. Ah ha ha. It's big. I'm gonna propagate this more. I propagated 2 of them, and I gave one to a friend of mine, and the other one, where did I put it? Oh yeah, the other one, look how poor it is. My granddaughter, she loves taking, you know, she likes the smell of this, and she'll take it and she tore a couple of them. I didn't realize that, you know, she was playing with it. And when I did, I only got to save this one. But I'm going to get more cuttings. You know, she's just a baby. She's 2 years old. Of course, I didn't get mad at her. I just said, Mommy, don't touch, please. And she goes, okay. But she already did it. So, I call it. I just cut some more here. Sorry. Cut some more here. And then I'll plant it right here. I don't know if it'll grow peppers because I put it this winter peppers here. And I don't know if they're going to be growing or not. Because sometimes they don't come out during the winter time, even though it's not freezing. It's just like 50, 60. But it's a cold 50, 60. So I don't know. One of my seeds there, with my bush peas or beans, whatever. How you call it? They're growing beans, peppers there. I'm going to let them grow there together, all together. You know, because when you try to change it and, you know, transplant it and all that, sometimes they die, you know, or sometimes you turn the roots too hard and they die. So I'm planning to either leave it there or put it somewhere else. But she's happy there, so I don't feel like taking it out. I just leave it there and see what happens. If I need to change it, then I'll change it when I have to. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Till next time. Bye-bye.